let's see how you can easily create an AI chat widget for your website and also install this in just a few minutes. So here I'm in a demo icon. We are going to focus on building an website AI chat widget. So WebChat. So here, let me use the free template over here. So let me go to the flow section. And here, if you go to all free templates, you can find all the free templates of it. And here we have a folder website AI chatbot. So here we have this particular free template. So here there are two flows right here. So one is welcome message for the web chat template. So this particular welcome message is sent every time when someone actually clicks on the chat widget, or if you actually automatically open the chat widget after a few seconds, this particular welcome message will be sent as well. So currently this setup like this. So you can actually create different welcome messages, or you can even use AI to create a welcome message as well. And the other flow is the website AI chatbot widget. So here, this is where you have all the information about your business. So here you have instructions on how to use the particular template as well. And here, if you click on this particular OpenAI action, here you can find all the information about the specific company. So in this case, we have some information about a plumbing company right here. So likewise, you can actually add all the information about your business right here. So if you're wondering what sort of information you want to add, for example, you can add some introduction about your company, the services offered, pricing information, the areas do you serve, and also any other frequently asked question as well. So you can also use this particular prompt generator tool right here. By simply entering your website, you can actually gather all the information and build a simple chatbot prompt you can use right here as well. So here, let's simply use this particular information we have already right here. And here you can also generate leads as well. For example, in this case, we have actually have this particular sign up for the newsletter AI trigger, which simply collect a particular customer's name, email, and phone number. So if you scroll down here, you have the option to add any sort of AI triggers as well. So here, if you go to the flow section, you can actually create any sort of AI triggers as you like and use that within the OpenAI action as well. For example, let me locate this particular sign up for the newsletter. So let me click on edit. So here, sign up for the newsletter allows the user to sign up for the newsletter, where we collect their full name, email, and the phone number, and this is a successful message when they actually signed up for the newsletter as well. So here I'm going to simply use all these existing free template flows right here. So let's see how to create a website chat widget for your website. So here, let me go to the analytics section and choose website over here. So by default, you will see this particular template already installed on your icon. What you can do is you can keep this as original. You can simply make a duplicate of this existing template over here, and here you can actually add the business name. So in this case, let's add the particular business name as the particular plumbing company name. So here, let me click on OpenAI action and see what's the name of the company. So here the company name is Flow Masters Plumbing. So here, add that one. And here we have a welcome message. So here the welcome message is automatically sent when the user opened your website. So here the welcome message is set up as this particular free template right here. So here, if you go to this particular website AI chatbot, here welcome message for website template. So that is the particular template set up as well. So you can actually create any sort of flows and set that particular template or flow as the particular welcome message. And here, authorize website. So on which website you want to install this particular template. So here you can add your own website right here. And here you can also add any sort of conversation starters as well. If you're not using this particular welcome message, you can also add any sort of menu as well. For example, let's add one menu over here. So let me say book and appointment, and here you can actually set a specific flow, or you can actually open the website as well. For example, let me say call.chattingmedia.com just for the demo. So they will see a menu icon as book an appointment, and when they click on that particular menu, it will take them directly to this particular website address as well. And here you have other options as well. For example, you can actually change this particular brand color to your own brand color as well. So let me use this sort of brand color right here. All right, and click on save right here. Alright, so this is the particular web chat template we just created. So let me rename this one with the company name as well. Alright, so here we can do more customization as we like as well. For example, let me click on get code over here and copy this. Alright, click on customize and click paste the particular website code right here. And as you can see here, this is the chat widget gonna look like. And here you have even more customization option as well. For example, you can change this particular welcome bubble message as well. For example, it says click here to chat with us. So you can actually change this one as you like. For example, let me say, do you have any plumbing needs? So this is a plumbing company, so I simply change this one as do you have any plumbing needs, and here you have the option to change the font size, color, and the position as well. For example, you can even change this particular icon to your own logo as well. So currently this is the chat icon is here, so let's say we want to choose your own logos. So here, for example, let me add this particular logo right here. So for example, let me copy image address over here, and here you can simply paste that one. So here you see this particular icon is right here, simple as that. And here you have the option to increase the size if you wish, and here if you want to make it circle, you can do that as well. For example, you can do like this, and here if you want to make this one as circle as well, you can do like this as well. As you can see here, simple as that. For example, so if you want to change this particular background color of this welcome bubble, you can do that right here as well. For example, let me add something like this right here, and let's change the text color to some white color as well. So here, so if you want, you can do any sort of things right here as well. So here let me update the text color to black again once here. All right, and here this is the important setting, auto open. So here, when a particular customer is on your website, and sometimes they might click on the chat widget and initiate the chat. In this case, after a few seconds, you can actually automatically open the chat widget and send them a message as well. So here, click on auto open settings over here, and by default it says 5 seconds. So what happens is that after 5 seconds, this particular chat widget will open and send them a message right here as well. As you can see here, they receive the message right here. So now if I ask any sort of question, it will simply work. So let me say, what areas are due? So here we didn't receive any sort of response because we need to set up this particular flow, which is website a chatbot widget template as the default flow as well. So here, if you go to this a chatbot widget template, here you have the instruction. So one of the instruction is to go to settings, general, select this particular flow as the default flow as well. So here, let me go to this particular settings over here, and in settings, general, choose this particular flow, website a chatbot widget template as the default flow, and save it. All right, so now if I ask any sort of question, so let me copy paste the same question right here and send it. So now we should receive a response from the AI. So here it says we serve, these are the areas and these are the services we provide right here. So the chatbot has the capability to collect specific customer information as well. For example, let me ask a question right here saying, can I get special discounts on your commercial plumbing services? So in this case, the AI chatbot will prompt the user to provide their name, email, and the phone number. So it says we offer special discount and VIP offers through our newsletter. Would you like to sign up to receive these exclusive deals? If so, please provide your full name, email, and phone number. So let me say, my name is John Justin, and my email is justin25@gmail.com. So in this case, I'm just providing my name and email. Let's see how this actually works. So it simply prompts the user to provide the phone number as well. So let me say, my phone number is 917-243-5688. So here I provide a phone number right here as well. So let's see how this actually works. So it says you are now subscribed to our newsletter and will receive exclusive discounts and offers on our commercial plumbing services. If you go to this particular unified inbox, you should be able to track all the conversation happened right here. So here it says John Justin, and this is the email and this is the phone number they provided, and you can track all the chats as well. And from this particular inbox, and agent can easily jump in and talk with the particular customers as well. For example, if I send a message right here as an agent, the customer will receive it right here as well. So as you can see here, the customer received it right here. If you're wondering how to install this particular customized chat widget on your website, you can simply scroll down. You see final chat widget code for your website with all these customizations you have made right here, including the icon, this particular welcome bubble, auto open settings. You can simply scroll down, copy this particular code. So this particular code will have all the customizations you have just made right here, and simply install this particular code on your website. And that's a quick video on how you can easily build website a chatbot for your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.